Hey everyone, good evening to all of you. Myself Tapash Kumar Pradhan, and I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of my YouTube channel. How are you everyone? I hope you are fine, fit and well. So as you know that we are in a continuation of the series of your lecture on Odisha politics for the preparation of SSB political science non-aided government college lectures. So last to last day we covers the different legislative assembly and the different its features. So today we'll discuss about the president rule. So you guys will wondering, sir, you also take the lecture on president rule, why you talk about president rule? Because a new content I prepare for you the regarding president rules. So that will be I discuss within these sessions. Before moving to this president rule new concept, I would like to take all of you to revise the concept of the legislative assembly. So in legislative assembly, there are the right now 16 legislative assembly are take place. But the thing is that guys, you need to remember the only 3 things from the legislative assembly. Okay, so far so legislative assembly in Odisha is concerned. So that you have to remember. In second legislative assembly there is a first president rules. In second legislative assembly there is a first president rules. They can ask the question in which president in which legislative assembly the president rule is take place. So you have to be tell the second legislative assembly. Then you have to remember the sixth legislative assembly. They can ask the question in which legislative assembly the seats of legislative assembly are changed from 140 to 147. Are changed from 140 to 147. It is the sixth legislative assembly. Guys, it is the sixth legislative assembly. And the next thing is like you have to remember the 13 legislative assembly take place. The 13 legislative assembly take place on 15 May 2004. Guys, on 15 May 2004 the 13 legislative assembly take place. So these 3 things you need to be remember. The first one, second legislative assembly, first president rule. The second one is like the sixth legislative assembly, the change of the seats. Then the last one is like your 30th legislative assembly on 25th May 2004 it is take place. So let's discuss the today topics right now. So as you know that right now there are the 6 legislative assembly. Okay, sorry, my mistake. There is a 6 president rules in India. In Odisha we basically understands. So you know president rule imposed on 25th February 1961. First president rule in basically Odisha. But what is the constitutional provisions? Okay, what are the article talk about the president rules, how this president rule is work? So that need to be understand from the the philosophy, the theoretical aspect. So you have to remember there are the 3 basically emergency in our so far the Indian constitution is concerned. The first one is like national emergency, second one is like president rule or the state emergency, third one is like the financial emergency. So the article 352 talk about national emergency, article 356 talk about the president rule or the state emergency. Okay, then 360 talk about financial emergency, 360 talk about the financial emergency. That's why there is the 3 basically emergency in basically the our constitution talk about. Okay, that is the things, that thing need to be you remembers. So this is how the things. And the first president rule, you know, 25th February 1961, and the second the last president rule is on the 17th February 1980. Yes, okay, if they ask the first president rule 25th February 1960, last president rule or the 6th president rules is like 17th February 1980. Guys, 17th February 1980. So this is how the basically the so far so the president rule is concerned. So this is all about from my side. This is small effort for this today concept. I hope it will be a like to you, and if you like my effort, do subscribe, do press the bell icon, that you will not miss such kinds of precious video, and do share with your friend because sharing is always great. Thank you guys, have a nice day.